Pernah gak sih lu mulai ngerasa hidup lu berubah tapi circle lu masih sama? You start thinking differently, you start wanting more, you want to build something, you want to be healthier, you want to read more, you want to fix your relationship with God, you want to become a better version of yourself. Tapi setiap kali lu mulai berubah ada yang bilang, so serius lu sekarang, dulu juga gak gini, udahlah nikmatin aja hidup. Dan perlahan lu mulai ngerasa mungkin gua yang terlalu ambis. Padahal maybe you're not changing too much, maybe you're just finally growing. Menurut gua salah satu masalah Gen Z hari ini bukan kekurangan informasi, kita justru punya terlalu banyak informasi. We know what we should do. Kita tahu kita harus olahraga, kita tahu harus belajar, kita tahu harus ngatur uang, kita tahu harus jaga kesehatan mental, kita juga tahu harus punya purpose. Tapi lingkungan kita sometimes doesn't support the person we're trying to become. Dan ini penting. Your circle doesn't have to be perfect. Lu gak perlu temenan sama orang-orang yang semuanya sukses. Bukan itu poinnya. Circle yang sehat adalah circle yang bikin lu ngerasa I can become better here. Temen yang ketika lu punya mimpi, dia gak ketawain. Ketika lu gagal, dia gak ngerendahin. Ketika lu mulai berubah, dia gak ngerasa kehilangan versi lama diri lu. And most importantly, they don't make you feel guilty for growing. Sebaliknya, ada circle yang mungkin kelihatannya seru. Ketawa bareng, nongkrong bareng, atau whatever people do to escape reality. Tapi setelah pulang, lu tetap kosong, no direction, no growth, no purpose. Dan yang paling bahaya, lu mulai nganggap stagnasi sebagai normal. Karena semua orang di sekitar lu juga stagnan. That's the thing about your circle. Sometimes your environment doesn't destroy you. It simply makes you comfortable with staying the same. Jadi kalau akhir-akhir ini lu ngerasa pengen jauh dari beberapa orang, jangan langsung ngerasa bersalah. Maybe you're not becoming arrogant. Maybe you're becoming intentional. Tapi jangan juga ngerasa paling berkembang hanya karena ninggalin circle lama. Because growth is not about having fewer friends. Growth is about having better influence. So ask yourself tonight. After spending time with my circle, do I feel inspired or drained? Do I feel challenged or comfortable? Do I become better version of myself or do I keep becoming the same person again and again? Karena pada akhirnya you don't just become who you want to be. You slowly become who you spend your time with. Jadi pilih circle lu bukan karena mereka sempurna, tapi karena sama mereka you still remember the person you want to become.